Hi everyone, welcome to Geeta's Magic. As you can see, today we're gonna make sooji barfi. So for that, we're gonna take 100 grams of ghee or 1 cup, heat it in a pan, add 2 tablespoons of besan, cook it so that it doesn't create any lumps, mix it well. Now add 1 cup of sooji, combine it well, mix it. As you all know, Indian recipes need a lot of mixing and cooking. Cook it well. By the way, if you haven't subscribed to our channel yet, do it right now to get posted on such Indian recipes and other forms of food as well. In that, we're gonna add 2 tablespoons of milk powder. The milk powder will make the texture and the batter nice and creamy. Cook it well. Now, as you can see, it has created a doughy kind of texture. In that, we're gonna add a cup of fresh cream to add that creamy texture. Mix again. By the way, comment down below your favorite Indian or any other dessert or sweet. Again, mix it. Keep the flame low so as to avoid burning. See, we can see that the ghee has created the texture like so. We're gonna mix it. Now we're gonna make sugar syrup, for which you have to take 1 cup of sugar or 100 grams, add half cup of water, mix it well, combine well so as to make the syrup. In the syrup, we're gonna add a cardamom to add that aroma and flavor. You can adjust the quantity of water accordingly. Mix it. Make sure that it creates a sticky texture. This string has to be created to ensure that the syrup is perfect. We're gonna cook it a little bit more, and now the syrup is ready. Okay, so it's done. Completely done. In our batter now, we're gonna mix it a little bit. From the previous batch of ghee, we saved some, which we're gonna add now. Around 1 tablespoon. Mix it well. Now we're gonna add our sugar syrup. Again, mix it. We have to keep on moving the spatula to have the smooth batter. You can also observe that the batter has started leaving the pan, which ensures that it's almost ready. Now we're gonna take it off of heat, but we're still gonna keep on mixing it. Let it cool down a little bit. We're gonna take a tray. As we have to make bars and pieces, we have to have that boundary, which is squared shape. So we're gonna take a tray, flatten out our batter, let it cool down a little bit. We're gonna use some kind of topping. So here, first of all, we're gonna take some tutti frutti. If you want to add your choice of topping, you can add some nuts or whatever you like. Chilled it to ensure that it's set, and we're gonna do it in pieces. We have to make the bars, and voila, a sooji bar is completely ready.